Welcome back to English Daily Works. Have you ever gotten lost on a walk? It can be scary, even in a peaceful place. Today, we follow Elizabeth on a simple trail, and we learn easy English words and sentences you can use in real life. Let's start.
I am walking on the trail. The forest is peaceful. I know my way back. I am taking pictures. I want my friends to see this place. It's getting dark. I think I'm lost. I can't see the trail. My phone has no signal. I'm really lost. I learned something from my last walk. I need to be prepared when I walk alone. First, I charge my phone. Next, I check my things. I bring a map, also a hat, lotion, sunglasses, and a battery pack. I have water, food, and everything ready for camping. I check my emergency kit, make sure I have bandages, a whistle, and everything I need that are important when going camping alone. Last, I tell someone where I'm going. I say, please check if I'm not back by evening. This time, I take a picture of the trail sign. I carry a stick while hiking. I use a flashlight to find my way back. I finally see the campground.